Number 3, foul. Foul by number 11. First personal foul, second team foul. Pasok. Pasok din. Number 5. Pass to number 10. 2 points by number 12. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Wala, rebound ni number 11. Pass to number 12. Kay binigay kay number 5. Nagmamadali, drop pass. 2 points by number 5. Score natin 13-6. Number 7.
Basket timeout ba?
Foul by number 12 again. Second personal foul, third team foul. Wala rin ba number 5? Wala pa rin, kanya pa din. Same ball. Kay number 6. Kanya pa din. Wala. Nabitawan ako ng number 6. Binato. Kuha ni number 3. 2 points.